What's going on, guys? CryptoHoy here, and in this video I want to do a quick update on Watcher Memes. We're going to get into the price action and price prediction here shortly, but first let's start off with the number of holders. So on my previous video, the last one that it was titled "The End," is it the end for Watcher Memes, and there we saw the number of holders were at 39,100. Now it has dropped by 103 holders, and it is currently at 38,997. And also when I refresh this, it has gone down even further. So like right now we just lost another holder as I'm like recording this video right now. So now it's at 38,996. So it is slowly, gradually losing holders, which means that if anybody perhaps were holding maybe like their last $50 into this project, but now they're just pretty much giving up their position. They're just selling everything and then just like perhaps even moving on to another pre-sale. So let's go here to the price action here, to the price analysis, to the charts. And right now it is currently at 0.022. So it is right above 2 cents. Keep in mind that this is still below the stage 1 price. So the first price when it was, under pre-sale, 0.025. So basically 2.5 cents. And again, it is currently at right above 2 cents, but again, below stage 1 price. And I think that when we go here to X, aka Twitter, we can see that their main focus is on the casino, and they're just pretty much just uploading, posting memes and stuff like that on their social media, but nothing really major is going on with this project. It seems like their goal was to launch the casino and kind of have and use the money from the pre-sales that people bought and create another business on casino, and that's pretty much it, because they're not providing any utility for this token. It would be nice if they would create at least some games of the casino into like just exclusive, or provide some sort of exclusivity just for this token on certain games, preferably all of them. But if not, then at least certain popular games that you can only play if you use this token. But it seems like you can use any token. There's like 13 to choose from, whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, and like another handful of other tokens, like a total of like 12 to 13. So yeah, I mean, it kind of defeats the purpose. Like, why should I be holding this token if I'm able to play all these casino games with other tokens? Like, that kind of defeats the purpose, in my opinion. But now let's take a quick look here at the number of staked. So staked, it hasn't really changed much. It is still at 509 million. It was around like 510 or 511 million or so, but pretty much nothing major has changed here. It's roughly around the same, and the estimated rewards is also pretty much the same. It's at 39%. It hasn't gone up or down. It's pretty much there, like stuck there. And then let's go here to the number of burning. Also here, there's nothing really major. It is still roughly around the 2.4 million burn from the total tokens burn. And then the community burn has gone up a little bit. Now is at 191,000 over of that amount, but not a significant amount, right? Of burning. But pretty much all of this numbers here are basically the same. The only ones that are changing is the number of holders. So let me refresh this again to see if there's any changes, and there is. So we just lost another holder as I am like recording this video, filming this, or recording it. Yeah, so we just lost another holder that they have just gave up their position. So just keep this in mind, guys. I think that a lot of people are either getting bored or they're losing patience, since they're not seeing that it's not meeting their expectations for whatever reason, whatever expectation the holders or certain holders may have had for this project. So what they tend to do is either abandon whatever tokens they have in their wallet, they just leave it there and then just go on a new venture, search for a new pre-sale, or they just want to just sell whatever they have, try to recuperate, to recover, right, whatever they can from their loss or whatever. Even if you made money, right, you're like, well, I might as well just get what I can from here and move on to the next one, right? Search the next pre-sale, the next token, the next ICO. And I think that right now at this price, once it goes below 2 cents, so maybe like 0.019 or something like that. So once it goes below 2 cents, I think that's going to create a lot of a panic sell and kind of see like this downward stairway, but going downwards. the opposite of the stairway to heaven, then it's gonna be like I guess the stairway to hell, I guess. But the point is that it's gonna be like in a downwards trend. And the lowest, I believe, if I'm not wrong, I think the lowest price it reached, it was right here at 0.018, so right below 2 cents. I think that it's going to beat that record and go below here, even to like at 0.015. So basically 1.5 cents. So I think that it's gonna go as low as 1.5 cent. Once it goes below 2 cents, there could be a possible reaction of panic selling, that people are just going to like freak out and then just start selling a whole bunch and just try to get whatever they can, right, to mitigate their loss. Or some other ones, they just get the money out because it doesn't make any difference because it's play money. They already made the profits, and whatever they have left over here is just, free money, play money, casino, house money, and might as well just take the money and invest it or buy another pre-sale. But those are basically my thoughts, guys, about this. Share what you guys think about this. What do you guys think the price is going to go from here in the next month or so, or December? Because also keep in mind that we are reaching the holidays. So there's Thanksgiving towards the end of November. There's also Christmas. There's Christmas Eve, New Year's. So there's a lot of gatherings, a lot of people getting together, friends, family, expenses, so gifts and trips and family. Again, getting together and friends. So those are things that we also need to keep in mind, and not to mention also that things are becoming more expensive. There's inflation. People are becoming behind on their car payments and stuff like that. So we need to also keep in mind, right? I always say this, that all of these trends is just like a reflection of people's behavior, right? So all of this reflects people's behavior when it comes to like money and buying and selling. So these are just behavior stuff. And so we need to zoom out and look at the bigger picture, sometimes not just nationwide, but also globally, right? In the whole world, and see where the economy is going, because that can also influence us to make certain decisions when it comes to investing. Because when we need money, we're going to try to get it wherever we can, try to liquidate certain assets. And some of the easiest ones to liquidate, sometimes it's not even like properties, because those can take a while. Some of the easiest ones are basically stocks and crypto, and especially those crypto which are just like memes. They're not like that you don't plan to invest for long term, such as like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But even those sometimes are being sold, and we can see that already. We've seen that already happen before in the market. So we just gotta be ready for that, guys. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.